Hi everyone, welcome back. We are going to continue with our book Access Book 5, Unit 8, Food and Drinks. Today our lesson is Lesson 3, In the Kitchen. In the kitchen. We are going to learn about the items that we can find in the kitchen. Our learning objectives for today: 1. Learn new vocabulary about food in a fridge. 2. Listen to a talk in the kitchen and number the pictures. 3. Ask and answer using "do you have?" Let's start our learning objective 1. Learn new vocabulary about food in a fridge. Before we start, I hope you can answer this question. Circle the countable nouns of food. We have learned it in lesson 2, the countable nouns. These nouns that we can count using the numbers. And they have the plural S. Let's check if you can circle the correct countable nouns. Strawberries, excellent, mangoes, and sandwiches, excellent. These food have S at the end and I can count them. I can say 1 strawberry, 2 strawberries, 3 strawberries, etc. Also, I can say I want a sandwich or 2 sandwiches or 3 sandwiches. Are you hungry now? I'm sure you are. I'm hungry because our lesson is about food. It's all about food. Let's play this memory game. I'm so hungry, so let's all go to the kitchen. I went to the kitchen and I got some. I am the first one who will say what I got from the kitchen. I went to the kitchen and I got some fruits. Another student has to continue and tell us what he has got from the kitchen. I went to the kitchen and I got some fruits and vegetables. Another student has to say the same sentence and continue and tell us what he got from the kitchen. I went to the kitchen and I got some fruits, vegetables, and some sandwiches. Another student has to complete, starting from the beginning. I went to the kitchen and I got some fruits, vegetables, sandwiches, and some milk. Another one has to say from the beginning. I went to the kitchen and I got some fruits, vegetables, sandwiches, some milk, and some jam, and so on. Now, in our first activity, vocabulary. How many food items can you name that go in the fridge? I know that my students now have learned a lot of vocabulary related to food. In each group, we are going to name and make a list how many items can go in the fridge. How many food items can you name that go in the fridge? I have chosen some examples for you. Cheese can go in the fridge. Rice can go in the fridge. Fruits can go in the fridge. Also, I can put some vegetables in the fridge, some milk, and some water. And I know that you can name more than these items. Now we are going to match the words to the correct pictures. I have here 6 pictures. Number 1 is done for you. As you can see, picture 1 is a fridge. A fridge. Milk. Which picture is milk? Milk is picture number 3. Cheese. Cheese. Now, I'm sure you know it. It's picture number 6. Fish. It's picture number 2. Eggs. 4. And the last picture is meat, which is number 5. Now we have finished the first objective for today. We have learned new vocabulary about food in a fridge. Here in activity 3, listen track 59. Here we are going to listen to 2 boys talking in the kitchen. Number the items in the order you hear them. So we are going to listen to 2 boys. They are in the kitchen and they are talking about food items. We have to write the number above each item I listen to. Number 1 is written for us, meat. Once I hear meat, I have to write number 1. The second item I hear, I have to write number 2. And the third item, I have to write number 3, and so on. But before we start our listening, we have to read this listening tip. In our book, there are a lot of tips. These tips are very, very important, and we have to read them, understand them, and follow them. Let's read together this listening tip. Read the word, read the food words before you listen. So, it's better to read the words before we start our listening. Cheese, meat, eggs, milk. Now we have read the words. We have to listen.
Track 59.
I'm hungry. Let's make something to eat.
There's a lot of food in the fridge. What do you want to eat?
Do you have any meat?
No, I don't have any meat.
Do you have any eggs?
Yes, I have 3 eggs.
Do you have any milk?
Milk? Yes.
Do you have any cheese?
Yes, there's some cheese.
Okay, then we can make an omelette.
So the first word we heard is meat. The second one was eggs. The third one was milk. And the last one was cheese. Now we have numbered the food words according to what we listen to.
Track 59.
I'm hungry. Let's make something to eat.
There's a lot of food in the fridge. What do you want to eat?
Do you have any meat?
No, I don't have any meat.
Do you have any eggs?
Yes, I have 3 eggs.
Do you have any milk?
Milk? Yes.
Do you have any cheese?
Yes, there's some cheese.
Okay, then we can make an omelette.
We have finished our second objective. We have listened to a talk in the kitchen and we have numbered the pictures. We are going now to continue with our third objective. Ask and answer some questions using do you have. Here in this activity, we have to ask and answer each other this question. Do you have any burgers? Yes, I do, or no, I don't. Now, look at the food items that I have chosen and put them in my fridge. Now, we have to practice together asking and answering this question. Do you have any burgers? No, I don't. Do you have any cheese? Yes, I do. Do you have any meat? No, I don't. Do you have any eggs? Yes, I do. Do you have any milk? Yes, I do. Do you have any fruits? Yes, I do. Do you have any vegetables? Yes, I do. Do you have any chicken? No, I don't. And so on. Yes, I do. If you enjoyed this class, give it thumbs up and pass it on so we can create more like this. Thank you for watching as you are very, very, very special. Thank you.